Hi everyone, it's me Ayaz Malik, business owner and entrepreneur. And I'm so excited to welcome you all to our upcoming business social networking event. Today I want to talk about something that can make or break your networking experience. Business networking etiquettes. This will help you to build meaningful connections that last beyond the event. Let's start with basics. First impressions matter. When you walk into a room, dress professionally but also be comfortable. A great handshake, eye contact, warm smile can go a long way in setting the right tone. Remember, people form opinions within seconds, so make sure you reflect who you are as a professional. Next, you all want to have your elevator pitch. Ready? This is the 30-second to 1-minute introduction about who you are, what you do, and why you are passionate about it. Keep it concise but memorable. People won't remember everything you say, but they will remember how you made them feel, so make it impactful. Networking is not just about talking, it's about active listening. When someone is speaking, give them your complete attention. Ask follow-up questions and show sincere interest in what they are saying. This is not only helps build strong connections, but also highlights you as someone who appreciates the perspective of others. One of the biggest mistakes people make in networking is trying to sell too quickly. Networking is about building relationship, not a transaction. Share value, whether it's an advice, an introduction, or simply being a good listener. When you focus on helping others, opportunities naturally follow. Finally, the event is not over when you leave the room. Following up is a key part of effective networking. Whether it's a quick thank you email, a social media connection, or even scheduling a coffee meeting, taking that extra steps into a simple introduction into a lasting connection. So, there you have it. By mastering these business networking etiquettes, making a great first impression, perfecting your elevator pitch, listening actively, sharing values, and following up, you will be all well on your way to building a powerful, meaningful connection. I can't wait to see you all off at our business social networking event. Let's grow, learn, and build opportunities together.